In this video we are going to talk about 10 foods for healthy skin and hair. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Nutrition is essential for good health. A bad diet can mess with your metabolism, make you gain weight, and even harm your organs like your heart and liver. However, what you eat has an impact on another organ, your skin. As scientists learn more about diet and the body, it's becoming evident that what you eat has a substantial impact on your skin's health and aging. Number 10. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and herring are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for your skin. They're high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for keeping skin healthy. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for maintaining healthy skin that is thick, supple, and hydrated. In fact, a lack of omega-3 fatty acids can lead to dry skin. Fish oil contains omega-3 fatty acids, which help to reduce inflammation, which can cause redness and acne. They may even make your skin less vulnerable to UV radiation from the sun. Fish oil supplements have been shown in certain studies to help with inflammatory and autoimmune skin disorders like psoriasis and lupus. Vitamin E, one of the most important antioxidants for your skin, is found in fatty fish. Number 9. Avocados. Avocados provide a lot of good fats. Many activities in your body, including the health of your skin, are aided by these fats. It's critical to consume enough of these fats to maintain skin flexible and hydrated. A large study involving over 700 women discovered that a high total fat consumption, specifically the types of good fats found in avocados, was linked to elastic, bouncy skin. Avocados also contain components that may help protect your skin from sun damage, according to preliminary studies. Wrinkles and other indications of aging can be caused by UV damage to your skin. Avocados are also high in vitamin E, an important antioxidant that helps protect your skin from oxidative stress. The majority of Americans are deficient in vitamin E. Interestingly, when vitamin E is coupled with vitamin C, it appears to be more effective. Number 8. Walnuts. Walnuts contain a number of qualities that make them an ideal diet for maintaining skin health. They're a good supply of vital fatty acids, which your body can't produce on its own. In fact, they contain more omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids than most other nuts. Inflammation, particularly inflammatory skin diseases like psoriasis, can be exacerbated by a diet heavy in omega-6 fats. Omega-3 fats, on the other hand, reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your skin. Omega-6 fatty acids are abundant in the Western diet, whereas omega-3 fatty acid sources are few. Walnuts may help combat the inflammatory response to excessive omega-6 since they have a good ratio of these fatty acids. Number 7. Sunflower seeds. Nuts and seeds, in general, are good providers of skin-boosting nutrients. Sunflower seeds are a great illustration of this. Sunflower seeds include 49% of the daily value for vitamin E, 41% of the daily value for selenium, 14% of the daily value for zinc, and 5.5 grams of protein per ounce, 28 grams. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. It works as a provitamin A, meaning it can be turned into vitamin A in the body. Oranges and vegetables including carrots, spinach, and sweet potatoes contain beta-carotene. Sweet potatoes are a good source of beta-carotene, with 1/2 cup, 100-gram, meal providing more than 6 times the daily value of vitamin A, 17 trusted source. Beta-carotene and other carotenoids work as natural sunblocks, which helps to keep your skin healthy. Number 5. Salmon for hair shine. Omega-3 fatty acids are abundant in fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Because your body cannot produce these healthy fats, you must obtain them from food or supplementation. They not only protect you from disease, but they also assist your body develop hair and maintain it lustrous and full. Number 4. Yogurt for growth. It's high in protein, which is the building block of your hair. Greek yogurt also contains an element that promotes scalp blood flow and hair development. It's called vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid, and it may help prevent hair loss and thinning. You may see pantothenic acid listed as an ingredient on the labels of your hair and skincare products. Number 3. Spinach to battle brittle hair. Spinach, like many other dark green leafy vegetables, is packed with nutrients. It's high in vitamin A and iron, as well as beta-carotene, folate, and vitamin C. These all work together to keep your scalp and mane in good shape. They keep your hair hydrated and prevent it from breaking. Do you want to shake things up a little? Another fantastic green option is kale. Number 2. Eggs for growth. When you consume eggs, you're getting plenty of protein and iron. They're high in biotin, a B vitamin that promotes hair growth. Hair loss can occur if you don't get enough of this vitamin. Biotin also aids in the strengthening of weak fingernails. Number 1. Dark chocolate. If you keep a cache of chocolate in your handbag, workplace, or both, we won't criticize you. In fact, we strongly advise you to do so. Flavonoids, an anti-aging antioxidant found in chocolate, battle free radicals to protect your skin from UV damage and help prevent wrinkles, fine lines, and skin discoloration. The Journal of Nutrition released a study on this topic. Researchers discovered that people who drank a chocolate beverage high in flavonols, think dark chocolate, the higher the cocoa content, the better the health benefits, had better skin texture and hydration, and had 25% less skin redness in response to UV light exposure. As a dessert, try an ounce a day. Did you know that dark chocolate can also help you at the gym? There you have it. If you're more curious about healthy skin, please be sure to check the link in the description down below. And make sure to like this video and subscribe for daily content. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.